Welcome to the presentation of 5 of the most unique Porsche factory models, presented by Dieter Landenberger, manager of the historical archives and keeper of countless Porsche dreams. Number 5.
Inside every Porsche there is a racing car. This is equally true to the 964 Turbo S. It was created by the Weissach Racing Department in 1992. Many parts were derived directly from motorsport. As the first series production Porsche, the Turbo S has parts made from carbon and 18-inch wheels. The color Speed Yellow was especially developed for it. Nevertheless, only 86 were made.
Number 4. Developed in 1981 for private racing, the 924 Carrera GTS was built only 50 times. The first in white, the remaining 49 in Indian red. And this color makes it a real eye-catcher. Number 3.
The 911 GT1 is a racing car that is approved for road use. It was designed for the 24 hours of Le Mans. To compete in the GT1 class, it was necessary to build at least 20 vehicles with road approval. In the case of the 911 GT1, just 21 were built, which was perhaps due to its sales price. In 1998, a GT1 cost at least 1.5 million Deutschmarks.
Number 2. In 1984, 20 models of the 911 SC RS were built, exclusively for rally sport. The SC RS is lightweight. At the same time, it has 40 horsepower more than the production version. Number 1.
The number 1 spot goes to the America Roadster. Only 16 of this lightweight version of the Porsche 356 were built. Most of the cars enjoyed a successful motorsport career in America, where they became the inspiration for another Porsche legend, the 356 Speedster. The America Roadster was used by famous drivers such as Briggs Cunningham, Jack McAfee and Johnny von Neumann. All the same, only 16 units were manufactured, which now seems a pity.
That's right, Dieter. We'd be happy to spot one of these rare sports cars out on the street. Hope to see you next week for the 5 best Porsche sounds.